Unwind the phrase, ease off. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into a popular English phrase you might have come across, ease off. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand how and when to use this handy phrase in everyday conversations. Let's get started. First, let's break it down word by word. Ease typically means to make something less severe or more manageable, while off implies reduction or lessening. When combined, the term ease off generally signifies the idea of something becoming less intense or reducing in severity. Now, let's look at a few scenarios where ease off is commonly used. 1. Weather. It looks like the rain is starting to ease off. In this scenario, it means the rain is lessening in intensity. 2. Pressure or stress. Can you ease off a bit? I'm feeling overwhelmed. Here, someone is asking for less pressure or stress. 3. Driving. You should ease off the accelerator when approaching a sharp bend. This means to reduce the speed or force on the accelerator. It's always great to know similar words or phrases, so let's explore some synonyms for ease off. Let up, diminish, decrease, subside, relax. So there you have it, folks. Now you not only know what ease off means, but you also know when and how to use it effectively. Remember, English is filled with colorful phrases like this, so stay curious and keep learning. Hope you found this video insightful. Until next time, happy learning!